Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule messages in the Telegram app. Please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to write your comments after watching the video and put your likes. Let's get to our topic. So, to begin with, you open the Telegram application, go to a convenient for you correspondence with the person to whom you want to send a scheduled message. Then you write a message of any kind, and then you click on the blue arrow. And then you will have three options for action. You have to choose the last one, which is the scheduled message. In the next step, you will be able to choose, for example, the date when you want to schedule the message. Also the time. And then you can either opt in and send that message on the scheduled date and time, or you can send that message when the person is online. If it's important to you that you see that the person is online and reading your message. So after you've set up the date and time, you click. And you'll see a window like this, like a new correspondence with one single message, let's say. Don't worry, your correspondence with this person, which has already been, it remains. It is, so to speak, a planned correspondence that you will have. And in order to get back to Telegram, you click close at the top and you go to the note. You'll now see this little clock sign next to the line. That means that you have a scheduled message for that person. So that's the simple way you can schedule a message in the Telegram app. I really hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and be sure to write your comments. See you soon, friends.